Okay.
Sino bang mauna? Government o opposition?
Sige, ako na.
Governments muna. Wait lang,
Good morning,
sarado ko lang
everyone.
dito.
Ay. Yung I was share screen.
Game na po ba?
Sige.
Sige, wait lang.
Good morning, everyone. We are Group 8. Ang napunta sa aming topic na aming pagdedebatihan ay tungkol sa genetic editing. Okay, let's start. I'm Geneva Molaro from BIT 117. Genome editing, also called gene editing, it's an area of research seeking to modify genes of living organisms to improve our understanding of gene function and develop ways to use it to treat genetic or acquired diseases.
Sandali lang po, tulong mo na ano na ba? Na-screen record na ba?
Oo.
Yun sa.
Dapat nga may ano eh. Share screen ng timer. Di kasi pwede eh. Nag-share screen ako, tapos i-record ko. Bali ang nare-record yung YouTube, hindi itong Gmeet. Dapat may isa.
Grammarly has become such a lifesaver for me when writing papers because it's essentially like
Okay na.
Sige po, email ko na po.
Ulitin ko ulit. Good morning, everyone. We are Group 8. Ang napunta sa aming topic na aming pagbabatehan ay tungkol sa genetic editing. Okay, let's start. I'm Geneva Molaro from BIT 117. Genome editing, also called gene editing, it's an area of research seeking to modify genes of living organisms to improve our understanding of gene function and develop ways to use it to treat genetic or acquired diseases. Ayon sa World Health Organization, ang genetically modified foods ay mula sa mga organismo na binago ang DNA gamit ang natural way. Ang pamamaraan na ginamit dito ay tinatawag na biotechnology or genetic editing. Ang biotechnology ay teknolohiya na ginagamit ng mga biological system. Ito ay ang paglikha ng iba't ibang uri ng mga produkto na gamit ng nabubuhay na organismo o parte nito. Sinasabing ginagamit ang genetic editing sa mga pananim upang mas masustansya, mas masarap at mas marami ang mabibigay nito bilang isang pagkain. Sa kalusuyan, ang genetic editing na pagkain ay galing sa mga pananim na pinag-ubaya sa mga herbicides upang mapabuti at mapaganda ang ani. Genetically modified foods ay maaaring mag-iba depende sa bansa at sa kanilang mga patakaran. Sa agrikultura at kalusugan, karaniwang ang mga government ang sumusuporta sa pananaliksik at regulasyon ng mga genetically modified foods upang matiyak ang kaligtasan at kalidad nito. Okay na ako.
Thank you for your defense in your side. Now very close the opposing group. This is discussed by David Casalhay for introduction of using genetic manipulation. David Casalhay. I-reset ko rin. Okay, reset mo muna. Hello, I'm David.
And I will do genetic engineering is a revolutionary discipline that involves artificially modifying an organism's genetic material into certain characteristics or qualities. While genetic engineering offers a promising solution to a variety of challenges within healthcare, agriculture, and industry. It also presents multiple risks and uncertainties. The risks include unintentional genetic mutation that spread of modified genes to non-target species. This disrupted ecosystem stability and several others. Moreover, the process raises numerous ethical concerns due to its nature, including the changes in biodiversity or the creation of genetically modified organisms. Given this challenge, as a society considered the application of genetic engineering, it is critical to address the field about possible outcomes and apply ethical issues. Only through careful consideration, regulation and oversight will genetically engineering help. New aspects of risk assessment thus arise when genetic engineering plans persist and multiply in the environment and their offspring unviable. The next generation can also result from complex genetic backgrounds or bring unexpected effects on the interaction with environmental conditions. Therefore, the biological properties of the original events cannot be seen as the ethic basis for judgment on hazard that may arise in later generation. According to the European Food Society Authority, the following trends can be highlighted with problems, displacement, and even existence of extinction of existing plant species. Facts about a
risk of genetic engineering.
Some people believe
it is not ethic to interfere with nature in this way.
Also, GM crops are often more expensive, so people in development countries cannot afford them. Last, GM crops cause allergic reaction in people. Ganda lang ka na matatapos.
Yun, salamat Kasalay for defending our side for opposing the genetic manipulation and we call the government or supporting their first place statement
Okay, may I call Miss Maria Paula for statement number 2 para sa government.
pamantayan ng FDA, kamakailan lang ang American Medical Association ay nagpatunay na walang siyentipikong pagmamatuwid para sa liability ng mga pagkain na nagtataglay ng GM na sangkap. American Association for the Advancement of Science ay may ganito rin ayon. Sila ay sumusuporta sa ganito mga posisyon at panukala ng FDA. Ayon kay Mansang. Ang GMO ay pinakamaayos at subok na produkto sa kasaysayan ng agrikultura. Ayon sa GM, isang website na pinanunduhan ng mga miyembro ng Council of Biotechnology Information nakasama ang BASF, Biorecord, Crop Science, New Science, maraming independent, siyentipiko at organisasyon sa buong mundo tulad ng US National Academy of Science, United Nations of Foods, Agriculture Organization, World Health Organization, American Medical Association, at ang American Association for Advancement of Science ay nakalibong beses na sinuri ang mga siyentipikong pag-aaral at nagpasya na ang GM na produkto pagkain ay pagkain na ani ay pinagtataglay ng mas maraming panganib sa mga hayop, tao, or paligiran kaysa ibang mga pagkain. Salamat for defending your side in government.
Then I call my group Kabansag, Jericho Kabansag supporting our first claim in genetic manipulation para ito dapat is tanggalin sa government. Kabansag, you may speak now. Thank you, Sir Galope. So the produced by the plant, developing seeds, was reduced, levels of grammatic perol, a form of vitamin D. Were also increased in seeds. Some microbead structures embrace were seeds. A third and thread-like bodies of unknown nature Africa. So, ano nga ba ang negative effect ng genetic manipulations? So, cross-communication increase witness transfer to with relatives change of these factors. Squadron of pests, susceptibility, poison, wildlife, creation of new or worse viruses. So this chapter should be understanding of the classifications of population and some of the evolutionary process that have given race to its present diversity. Discussing features of the genus of trees in a ecological context and are also used to discuss its relationships with other genera of families, different approach to classification, sectional and space. Discuss universally defined group of 29 space are used to explore phylogenetic relationship within populace. Result of phylogenetic analysis are compared the pattern of the diversification observed in the fossil record. Finally, I consider the effects of natural hybridizations among species belonging to same or different sections. Yun, so salamat kabansag for defending ourselves in opposing group. Then may I call the next group, the next defender for their side, which is the government, and for the rebuttal or supporting their case, or first and the second statement.
Okay, may I call Miss Irene for statement number 3 para sa government.
Genetic editing holds great promise for addressing inherited diseases and improve agricultural productivity. Maaaring mapabuti ng genetic editing ang kalusugan at kagalingan ng tao o halaman habang binibigyan diin ang pangangailangan para sa mahigpit na regulasyon upang maiwasan ang maling paggamit at mapanatili ang pagkakaiba ng genetic. Balancing this perspective is essential as we navigate the evolving landscape of genetic editing to ensure its safe and ethical application for the benefit of all. Gene editing has advantage. It holds the potential to cure genetic disease and create crops resistant to drought. Genetic editing could also be used in research to better understand genetic disease and develop new treatments. Therefore, the government should support genetic editing as it has the potential to bring about significant societal benefits.
Salamat for defending your government. Then we proceed the third statement for rebuttal or supporting the other players and statements. Ang pagpapaunlad ng mga panunong ng GMO o mas kilala bilang genetic manipulation organism at ang pagpapakilala ng mga ito sa ating supremang pasay ay nagdudulot ng mga ay nagdudulot ng mga pamanig sa kalusugan at kaligtasan ng mga benepisyo. Ang gusto ko lang ma-rebat yung introduction na kung saan sinabi doon na ito ay makakatulong sa ating panalig. Oo, ito ay makakatulong sa ating panalig at ng genetic manipulation organism. Ngunit, mas malaki pa rin yung risk nito na kung saan magkakadevelop ito ng cancer at pwedeng ito na magkaroon ng toxic sa ating katawan dahil kasi yung organism kasi o yung practice ng isang genetic manipulation sa isang organism o kapag tinanggal yun, ginawa sa pagdagdagan ng isang organism is walang katiyakan. Although yung mga scientists o yung mga chemical engineer or mga gumagawa ng ganitong pamamaraan ay wala silang katiyakan kung ano ba yung mangyari doon dyan, diba? Pero mga research na kung saan hindi nila alam or unknown race yung tinatawag nila. Therefore, ang sabi ng government, we urge government to stop and enable industry to feed the product of genetic engineering to our population and to ban the release of this drug into the environment where they can never feed population and to ban the release. Because the very least consumer have the right to choose what food street and food their families. Kasi nga, ang genetic manipulation organism ay nakakapag-develop cancer kasi kahit isang organism lang yung ilagay mo doon isang genes lang yung ilagay mo doon sa isang organism is makakapag-develop na siya ng cancer. Kasi nga, diba, ang genes natin is madali siya makapag-multiply or napapabilis niya yung pag-produce ng kanyang sarili. At ang genetic manipulation kasi hindi siya 100% nagagana. Oo, maganda siya ang benefits, pero mas malaki pa rin yung possibility na magkaroon ng or sa ating environment. At ang dito yung mga potential harm to help of genetic manipulation or Ayos. Ayun, defender for their side.
Okay, may I call Miss Christine for the last statement para sa government?
Genetic materials of plants why is it great scope for a cure and even under gene of the food emphasize which could lead to inadvertent and undesirable video. There are also concerns regarding the long-term safety of plants. This technology has offered possibilities to improve life and solve worldwide agricultural problems. With this scientific and edit specific plants, enhancing the growth, and nutritional value. It is a school of formal-defined landscape. Agriculture plants are one of the typically example of genetically modified organisms or GMO. Some benefits of genetic agriculture are increased crops, yield, reduced phosphorus use or gel production, reduced need for pesticides, enhanced nutrients, increasing in food quality, resistance to pests and disease, greatest productivity and medical benefits to world growth pollution. Before I end my statement, I just want to share some quotes by Tolkien. It says, with genetic engineering, we will the complexity of our DNA and from the human body because one has to wait about 80 years to see the effect of the genetic code. That will be all.
Thank you for defending your government. Now, may I call our last, but not the last, the final statement of our side to post genetic may I call the last Kahiyang.
Okay, so this is the main concern with GMO crops, the possible harm they could do to humans. Some firmly think that
these risks outweigh the benefits. They believe that the government ought to forbid the use of these crops as food for anybody and ought to forbid their release into the environment where they would be an undercurrent of harm.
Moreover, they believe that
They believe that
consumers
consumers
ultimately
ultimately
decide
get to
what
decide
the
what
food
the
their
food
families
their
should
families
consume.
should
It is
consume.
only
It
possible
is
that
only
products
possible that
containing
products
genetically
containing
modified
genetically
organisms
modified
are
organisms are
properly labeled.
properly labeled.
And due to
And
health
due to health
environment, concerns
environment,
about
concerns about
toxins, toxic
toxins,
metals,
toxic metals,
allergies, and
allergies, and
antimicrobial
antimicrobial
resistance, the
resistance,
debate
the
over the
debate over
safety
the
of
safety of
genetically modified
genetically modified
organism is
organism is
complicated.
complicated.
For instance,
For instance,
the U.S.
the U.S.
approval
approval
process that's
process
tend to
that's
transparently and
transparently and
regulators
regulators
properly rely
properly
on
rely on
company information
company
without
information without
conducting
conducting adequate
reviews or
reviews or
publishing relevant
publishing
scientific
relevant
research.
scientific research.
Labeling needs to be
Labeling
clear
needs to
so
be
that the
clear so
customer
that the
can make
customer can make
educated
educated
decisions.
decisions.
Concerns
Concerns
include how
include
to prevent
how to
genetic
prevent genetic
modification from
modification
harming our
from
health,
harming our health,
why genetically
why
modified
genetically
organisms
modified
harm the
organisms harm the
environment, how to
environment,
ensure
how
that
to ensure that
genetic
genetic
modification
modification
does
does
not
not
destroy
destroy
biodiversity,
natural
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 ecosystems,
ecosystems,
and how
and
to handle
how to
ethical
handle
issues
ethical issues
related to
related to
genetic
genetic
manipulation.
manipulation.
GMOs may be
GMOs may
present
be
is
present
in
in
non-organic products
non-organic
unless
products
the
unless the
manufacturer
manufacturer
specifically
specifically
states that the
states that
product is
the
GMO
product is
free.
GMO-free.
Additionally,
Additionally,
this could create
this
a
could
greater
create a
health
greater
divide
health divide
between developing
between
and developed
developing and
nations.
developed
While the
nations.
technology
While the
has great
technology has
potential,
great
it's also
potential, it's
very
also
expensive.
very
According
expensive.
to Dr.
According to
Robin
Dr.
Lovell
Robin
Badge,
Lovell
the
Badge,
Francis
the
Crick
Francis
Institute
Crick
told The
Institute
Guardian,
told The
a
Guardian
treatment for
a
one
treatment for
person
one person
could cost $1
could
million.
cost $1 million.
And according to the
And
World
according to
Health
the World Health
Organization, there
Organization,
are also an
there are also
estimate
an estimate
globally people
globally
have
people
no access
have
to
no
essential
access to
medicines,
essential medicines,
ineffectively
and
shutting them
effectively
off
shutting them
from
off
the benefits
from
of
the benefits
advances
of
in modern
advances in
science and
modern
medicine.
science and medicine.
So,
So,
equity in medical
equity in
access has
medical
been
access
long
has
a
been long a
standing problem,
standing
and we
problem,
have to
and
start
we have to
talking
start talking
early on
early
about
on
ways
about
to make
ways to
gene
make
therapy
gene
cost
therapy
effective,
cost
sustainable,
effective, sustainable,
and it could also
and
lead
it
to a
could
new
also lead to
genetic
a new
disease.
genetic
Much is
disease.
still known
Much is
about the
still
cost
known
cases
about
of
cost
genetic
cases of
modified
genetic
embryos.
modified embryos.
Experiments have also
Experiments
shown
have also
that
shown
in about
that in
20%
about
of cases,
20% of
this
cases,
genome editing
this
changes
genome
can lead
editing
to
changes can lead
substantial
to
rearrangement
substantial
of a person's
rearrangement of a
genome,
person's
which is
genome,
very, very
which is
dangerous,
very,
remarked
very dangerous, remarked
Love Badge. It
Badger.
could cause
It could
cancer,
cause
along with
cancer
potentially
along with
causing
potentially
disease.
causing
Genome
disease.
editing could
Genome
also
editing
create a
could
new
also
genetic
create a new genetic
disease that could
disease that could
be passed
be
down
passed or
to
down to
four
four
generations. So
generations.
essentially,
So essentially,
Yun,
yun,
thank you for
thank you for
for
step
our
for
final
our
statement.
final statement.
And
And
that's it.
that's it. Okay na.